Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to recover your MetaMask account. So, the first thing you need to know is I don't have a MetaMask account. So, I give it to you some screenshots, some photos for explain to you the process. So, this is an easy process to do. The first step when you go to your PC, for example, is pick here. In the principal page, you need to go to the superior. You need to go to the superior right corner here in your profile option. You pick here, and after that, you need to go to the part of configuration. This is in English is configuration or settings, and you need to pick here in security and privacy, seguridad y privacidad. You pick in this button, and you need to pick here in revelar frase secreta de recuperación, in reveal your secret phrases, and after that you need to put your password, and now you can copy your secret phrases in your paperwork. For example, you pick here in copiar en portapapeles, copy in paperwork, and after that, if your account is blocked, or you forget your password, after that you need to put importar con la frase secreta de recuperación, and this way you can use your secret phrases for open your account. So you put your secret phrases, and you put a new password. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.